Print pages. In this tutorial we will be showing you how to set up the controls print pages. We will go over the layout properties, title block information, and cropping the layout to display only what's necessary. Let's get started. Project details. Head over to File, select the project option. Here we will need to fill out all the project information. Give the project a title, location, project number if available, and the date created. Once you are done, head back to the design page. We will start with the print pages setup. Adding layout and details to the print pages. On the left side panel, under the Project tab, select the design print page created for you. Here we will start adding all the project information. Let's start with the layout. Under the Print tab, click on Select Design button to select the design layout that you would like to add to this print page. Click on the drawing to add the layout to the print page. You will need to know the scale of your layout before adding it to the print page. If you don't remember the scale, head back to your design page and look for the scale on the lighting plan title. Once you have confirmed the correct scale of your drawings, let's add the layout by clicking on two opposite corners on the print page. Once the layout is dropped, you will be able to select it to move it to the desired location on the print page. Let's add a few more details to your print page. The product legend is the list of items used on the current layout page. It includes products quantities, the product symbols, catalog numbers, and a short description of the product. The drawing legend includes the sequence of operations that apply to this layout. The wire legend includes the list of wire types used in this layout. Now, let's talk about the title block. The project information found on the title block comes from the project details we initially filled out at the beginning of this video. Click anywhere on the title block to select it. This will give you access to its properties. The title block properties include drawing type, design sheet, drawing reference, scale, and date. Let's update the drawing reference to match the lighting plan. The rest of the information such as the scale, design sheet, and date are automatically filled out based on your project details information. Layout properties. Click on the layout to select it and get access to its properties. Here, we will go over some of the adjustments you can make to the layout. If you prefer everything black and white, the grayscale is the option for you. For those projects that require coverage patterns to be shown, coverage beams and coverage rings will do just that for you. Check the wire labels option to show the cable length. This option is great if you need to estimate cable quantity for the project. Room labels. This should match the label on the drawings, but if those aren't available on the lighting plans, you can give each room a name and have those display here. Product IDs. Each product is given an identification number. You have those display on your layout with this option. The same applies with the serial numbers. If the layout scale is off, adjust it here. Next, switch to the Display tab and ensure layout layers sync with design layers to reflect your design accurately. Cropping the layout. There will be cases where we don't want all the information shown on the lighting plans to be included in our final controls layout. The crop feature will use the two ways of cropping your layout and hide those unwanted lighting plans details. The rectangle option lets you easily draw a rectangular shape around the area you would like to display. For this example, it is not the best option to hide and display what we really want for this project. Let's explore the polygon option. The polygon cropping option lets you freely navigate through the lighting plans, showing only what we want to include on our final layout page. Now that we have our design layout displaying what really matters, we can select it and place it where we would like on the print page. Additional details and risers. Head over the Print tab. Under the Project category we have a list of options available to add to the layout print page. We can include the wiring diagram for some of the devices used in our design. We can add sequence of operation notes. or the sequence of operation narrative for each room. And our final step, let's add the riser diagrams to our print pages. This will include a riser for each of the rooms in the design. Print to PDF. Once you have done adjusting your print pages, head over to the File button and select Print. Select the pages that you would like to print, then click on the Print to PDF button. Name the file with your project title and date. Select a location to save and click Save. Look for the PDF file in your saved location and open it to make sure everything prints correctly. If everything looks good, you are now ready to share your project's controls layout. That's all for this video. Make sure to check out all our visual controls tutorials. Thank you for watching.